Today we're going to learn writing and solving systems. Let's start with example 1. The Rockets have 13 more points than the Warriors. The two teams have a total of 47 points. Write two equations and solve for how many points does each team have. Let R represent the Rockets' points and W represent the Warriors' points. So the first thing we're going to do is underline any facts. First fact, the Rockets have 13 more points than the Warriors. And our second fact is the two teams have a total of 47 points. So, if the two teams have a total of 47 points, that means the Rockets plus the Warriors has to equal 47. So that's one. Now our second one, if the Rockets have 13 more points than the Warriors, that means the Rockets equals Warriors plus 13. Now, it's pretty simple. So now, whatever method you prefer, substitution, elimination, if you want to plug it into the graph in your calculator, do that. See you in a sec. And we're back. I used a substitution, and I think I got my answer. Now, let's go back and check. If the Rockets have 13 more points than the Warriors, that means 17 plus 13 equals 30, and that is true. So, now we have our two equations. And we have solved for what each team has. Ooh, that's not a straight line. So there we go. Now, on for example 2. You're running a concession stand at a basketball game. You're selling hot dogs and sodas. Each hot dog cost $1.50 and each soda cost 50 cents. At the end of the night, you made a total of $78.50. You sold a total of 87 hot dogs and sodas combined. You must report the number of hot dogs sold and the number of sodas sold. How many hot dogs were sold and how many sodas were sold? So, let's highlight what we know. We know that each hot dog cost $1.50, and we know that each soda cost 50 cents. We know that at the end of the night you made $78.50, and we know you sold a total of 87 hot dogs and sodas. So, let's write our equations. It makes sense that we put the money values together and the total amounts together. So let's see. If you sold a total of 87, that means 87 equals, we'll use H for hot dogs and S for sodas. So that means however many hot dogs and however many sodas you sold equals 87. Now, the money is a little bit hard. So if you made a total of $78.50, that means that however many hot dogs and however many sodas has to equal $78.50. So if each hot dog cost $1.50, that means for however many hot dogs sold, that each one is $1.50. And then plus 50 cents for each soda. You need to make sure you keep the decimals in there or else your numbers are going to get all mixed up. Now that you have each equation, you can solve using whatever method you like. And we're back. I have my answers. I have 52 sodas and 35 hot dogs. Let's see if that makes sense. If each hot dog costs $1.50, all right. So I just checked my work, and I think it makes sense. And actually, as a matter of fact, I know it makes sense because I checked my answer in a calculator. So that's how you do it. We have our two equations and our two answers. So good job. I hope you figured out how to learn writing and solving systems. Please check out any of the other links on our websites or any other videos if you are confused. Thank you for watching.